walking through the paddy fields of Nagaland village. It's a arduous effort climbing down from a height of about hundreds of feet and getting onto the plain area of the paddy fields and then returning through the fields and has to climb many hundreds of feet to reach the high roads. But this very pleasant.
ഒരു കിലോമീറ്റർ ഉണ്ടാവില്ല കയറ്റം. ഇങ്ങനെ പാർക്കുന്നു.
Has to walk a lot of distance in the plain area and then climb the steps, hundreds of steps to reach the top. He has to go up a long distance. You can't see the top roads. Has to go a long distance, but he's doing it at this age. Has to really appreciate this gentleman